guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday. I hope your week is going really well so far. I drank a ton of coffee, so I am ready to go and show you guys what I got inside my Ipsy bag for April 2018. The bag this month is really cute. And okay, am I alone on this? Like, I know a lot of people love ladybugs and butterflies, but they kind of creep me out for some reason. And I don't know why, because they are really beautiful. But when I saw this bag, like, I instantly saw butterflies and I was like, I'm not into butterflies, but the bag itself is super cute. I love the color on the back. I love these metallic accents, and I'll definitely be using it. So it's kind of making me rethink how I feel about butterflies, but it is a super cute bag. If you guys are new to these videos, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service. So I'll put their website in the description box below, but if you sign up, you get a makeup bag delivered to your door every month with 5 products in it. You can get samples, deluxe size samples, or full size products, but they're all beauty related. And I love Ipsy. I cannot seem to let it go. Like, I've been thinking about canceling just because I do have a lot of samples in my collection, but I just love getting it every month. And it's $10 and it's just kind of like a fun thing to look forward to. So I'll show you guys what I got. My bag feels pretty full this month, so I'm excited to see what's inside. And then at the end of the video, I'll show you the products that I got with my points, because they must have all come at the same time because I got a bunch of them. So let's jump into it and I'll show you guys what I got. The first product, oh, this is from Sunday Riley. That is crazy. I don't know if I've ever gotten anything from Sunday Riley in an Ipsy bag before. I did get something from the brand in a Play by Sephora box, but I don't know that Ipsy usually includes the brand, which is amazing because it is an expensive skincare brand, and I've been wanting to try more of their products. This one is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So it's supposed to hydrate, brighten, and exfoliate your skin. This is a pretty big sample too. Like, this would last me a long time. Let me just kind of test it out on my hand. It feels really moisturizing, but it feels really lightweight at the same time. It kind of reminds me of the Belief Aqua Bomb. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that, but it feels a little bit thicker than that. I'm not super loyal to like one specific moisturizing product, so I will definitely try this one out, and if I fall in love with it, I might end up purchasing it. Sunday Riley is expensive, but I've been wanting to try more of their products. I'm currently testing out their vitamin C serum. I am so excited they included this in the bag. I think that's amazing. I've never gotten Sunday Riley in my Ipsy bag before, so this makes me super excited. The next thing in here is by the brand Pretty Woman, and it is a nail polish, and I haven't gotten a nail polish in a while. So these are 5 free polishes. They're cruelty-free, vegan, and a whole bunch of other awesome things. I got the shade Girl Boss. This color is perfect for me. I'm not even kidding. I usually get this color when I go get gel nails. I haven't gotten gel nails in a while because honestly they were really damaging my nails, and I'm trying to just grow out my natural nails really strong. It's just so beautiful. It's like the perfect muted dusty rose, and I can't wait because I don't have any colors like this in my personal collection. I usually just grab it when I go to the salon. So now that I'm painting my nails on my own again, I'm excited to use it. It has a nice wide brush too. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of picky with my nail polish brushes. So this one looks really promising, and I am definitely going to use it today, actually, after I film this video. I know it's early, but this is looking like one of my favorite bags so far. So the next thing in here is by the brand RealHer. It is their Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. I thought it was like a mini liquid lipstick because of the packaging. It's so tiny and cute, but when you roll it up, it's actually a regular lipstick. I don't know if this is like their full-size lipstick because it does look like you get a lot of product in here. Okay, this color looks perfect for me. It's kind of similar to what I'm wearing today, but actually when I swatch it on my hand, it's a little bit more rosy toned, which I love. I think it will be so much fun for springtime. It feels really lightweight, super hydrating, and I've been like all about like regular traditional cream lipstick. So I can't wait to wear this one. I'm definitely going to hang on to it instead of decluttering it. The next thing in here is by the brand Delectable. I think that I've gotten something from this brand in the past, maybe like a hand cream. This one is their, oh, probably not, because this one is their Ultra Nourishing hand cream, and I don't recognize this packaging, but I feel like I've gotten this brand before. Like, the name sounds familiar. So this is in the scent Sweet Mint and Cream, which sounds really interesting for a hand cream. I actually just finished up the hand cream that I keep in my purse. I was using it last night. I was telling my sister I need to grab a new one, but this one is made with shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera, and it is cruelty-free and vegan, which is awesome. Let me test it out. Oh my gosh, this smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. It smells amazing. I can't wait to use this. This is a giant hand cream. I'm sure it's going to take me a very long time to finish it up, but it came at the perfect time. I'm always applying hand cream. So I don't want to be obnoxious, but I'm like super excited about this bag so far. All right, and the last product in here is by the brand Sahi Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that right. This is the Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow with jojoba oil. So it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and alcohol-free, and it sounds like it's supposed to be a hydrating formula. Oh, it looks like mine kind of broke, so let me get it out of here. I'll just put it back together with some rubbing alcohol so I can actually try it out, but let me see if I can at least swatch it without making a complete mess. Okay, I did my best to swatch it. I'll do an up-close swatch for you guys so you can see what it looks like. It's really beautiful. I kind of wish I had this earlier today when I was doing my makeup because I feel like it would have looked really pretty all over the lid. It feels creamy. It feels like a powder, but it also feels creamy, just like they described it. It's very glittery, which I think is kind of fun. I don't have a lot of glitter shadows in my collection, and this is just like the perfect neutral gold for me. So I'm definitely going to put it back together with some rubbing alcohol and try it out on the eyes because it looks like a gorgeous color and a pretty shadow. Okay guys, that is everything I got inside my bag. I don't want to be obnoxious because I'm like overly excited. I think it's partly because I drank a lot of coffee. I am so excited about this bag. I feel like my past few bags have been a little disappointing or not super exciting, but I am genuinely excited to try every single product in the bag this month. I honestly can't believe they included a Sunday Riley product and a giant hand cream, and then they got like my preferences totally right with the lipstick, nail polish, and eyeshadow. So I can safely say this is like the bag that I've been most excited about pretty much ever. I think everything is going to be so much fun to use. So I had mentioned in a previous video that I felt like I wasn't getting the products that I had redeemed my points for, and I think they all came this month. So these are products that I redeemed my points for pretty much like in 2018. So the first thing in here is by the brand Luxi, and they actually make some of my favorite brushes. I've gotten them in subscription boxes, and I really enjoy the brand. This one is the 131 Mini Angled Brush, and I do not have this one. I don't think that I have this one. So I'm excited to use it. I really enjoy their eye brushes. I like some of their face brushes, but in general, their eye brushes are so good. The next thing that I got is by the brand Buxom, and it is their Big Tease Plumping Mascara. I've only tried one Buxom mascara in the past, and I did not really enjoy it. It comes in like the black tube with the silver wand, so I will try this one out and see how it is. I did get the Briogeo Curl Charisma. Briogeo is probably my favorite hair care brand. I use a bunch of their products, and I just love that they're cruelty-free. They use, you know, more natural ingredients, and I feel like they do make my hair look the best. But I actually have wavy, curly-ish hair. It used to be very curly, but I've straightened it so much over the years that it's kind of more like frizzy wavy at this point. But I wanted to try some of the products from their Curl Charisma line because usually when summer rolls around, I go a little bit more natural with my hair, and this is supposed to be a leave-in defining cream. So I'll definitely give it a shot and try it out. Do you guys own any products from the Curl Charisma line? Like, my hair is not super curly, but I feel like if I could find the right products, it would definitely help to enhance any natural curl that I do have. So I'm excited to use it. I got two skincare products. So the first one is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And they actually have a bunch of vegan products too. And I've heard so many good things about this product. So I'm excited to give it a shot. I know a bunch of you guys recommend it, so I redeemed my points for it so I can try it out. And then I also got the Befine Exfoliating Cleanser. This is made with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats, and it's supposed to remove excess oil and nourish dry, sensitive skin. I'm always looking for a good exfoliator. I haven't found one that I'm like sold on that I feel like is so much better than all of the other ones that I've tried, so I'll definitely give this one a shot. So I've heard really good things about Pacifica. They are cruelty-free, 100% vegan, but honestly, I haven't tried out a lot of their makeup. I've recently been trying out some of their hair care products. I did not like their dry shampoo, and I do really enjoy their deep conditioner, but I really haven't tried out a ton of their makeup like I just said. So I wanted to grab this. These are natural mineral eyeshadows. So you get, oh, these colors are really beautiful. They feel really smooth and really creamy. This purple one is really pretty too. I need to go on to Ulta's website and try out some more Pacifica products because I've heard really good things about the brand. So if you guys have any favorites, let me know in the comments below so I can check them out. Okay guys, that's everything I have to share with you guys today. I think this video was probably a little bit longer because I had so many products that I redeemed my points for, but I am so excited excited about my bag this month. I don't want to like keep rambling on about it, but I just think it was definitely the best bag or the most exciting bag that I've ever gotten. So let me know in the comments below which products you guys got, how you like them, if you think they're good or bad, because I would love to check them out if you guys discover any favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.